What's up, YouTube? I'm so excited to record this. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. After like so many years of contemplating if I should do it or not, I think I finally landed to a decision that this is what it is for me, because this is literally what I love doing. I love talking to myself, and I love like talking to my camera, because of course. And okay, someone also, like, I heard somewhere, or someone told this to me, and like nobody told this to me, I just heard somewhere that you should create things that you spend most of your time doing. So guess what I spend most of my time doing? That is very correct. I just watch YouTube all day, endless hours, and I just talk to myself all day, endless hours. So I think it's like alignment. It's like perfection. It's alignment. So yeah, here we are. So first we are gonna do story times, and like I'm gonna explain to you the lore, the Sanchita lore. Also, my name is Sanchita. You can call me Sanch. And yeah. So also, okay, to address what the fuck am I wearing? I'm wearing my mom's gown because I want to look like a hot evil housewife, like hot evil housewife core, because it's literally my dream. Okay, it is what I want to do in my life. I just want to become a nice hot housewife, and just cook and clean and just sit at home and watch Nagin for endless hours, and just like, yeah, that's my dream life. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm just like a hot evil housewife. So yeah, bear with it. So these earrings are mine. I got them, I don't know from where, but I love them. They are so heavy, and my ears are like hurting, but it's fine. Beauty is pain, as they say. Also, look at my nails. Oh my gosh, you don't get it. Like, the girls who get it, get it. They are like Kareena Kapoor, 2016. If you know, you know. It's like, if you know, you know. Okay, and look at my stack. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I live for this. Like, can you see? Can you see how gorgeous they look? I am obsessed. Okay, even though I don't look that good, but you know what they say, you should be happy and grateful with whatever like God has given to you. So that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to be happy and grateful with whatever we have. And also, I do like whatever the fuck is going on in my life. I know I don't love it, but it's okay. Like, as I said, you should be happy with whatever is happening. So yeah, that's the reason why we're here. So I'm gonna tell you story time. This video, as you can tell by the title, it's a story time. I'm gonna tell you how I got my major trust issues as a ninth grader. And before that, I was just a kid, and I don't think I used to look really good. Not that I'm saying ki I look really good now. I look like a Diane, but it's whatever. So okay, now I lived from first grade till sixth grade. I used to live in this building, which is near my current building actually. But the scene was ki then I moved from sixth grade. I moved to abroad. I mean इधर मतलब बहुत अच्छी जगह पे I did not go. I was in Asia only. It's not that big of a deal. So I moved out in sixth grade, and then I came back in ninth ka, like ninth was ending, and that was the time that I came back to India. So from first grade to sixth grade, I had a crush on this guy. Okay, we'll come to the crush part later on. We'll first start with how I got betrayed by this girl that lives in my current building, and because of her I lost my best friend. We were like tight. Okay, we were tight, we were the besties, like everyone wanted to be, because I mean, I don't know, like, okay, so when I came back, we met again. She was the first person I met, and she suggested that I should get into her school only. So that's what I did. I got into her school. We used to hang out every single day. Like, it was good, okay? It was going good. We used to hang out every single day. Her mom was very frustrated by the fact that she used to hang out with me every single day, because I think like her mom had already had a problem with her having friends. And I get it. I get it, best friend's mom. Like, I get you, because literally friends are problematic. But The friends that I have now are really good, okay? But yeah, tabhi I had the worst experiences with my friends ever. But anyways, yeah, so we used to hang out every day. She used to come to my house and we used to fold clothes, my clothes. Like, she used to help me do everything. And then in school also, she introduced me to her group and she used to take me everywhere. And I was in love with her. She was like 1 year elder than me, and I am obsessed with this person, okay? Because she's the sweetest and the kindest thing ever to me, and I think to everyone only, actually, generally. But the thing was she also made me introduce, like, she introduced me to her friends downstairs, like the building friends you have. So she introduced me to them, and the building people and I became really good friends. And she used to be like busy with her tuitions and everything, because she was in 10th grade, right? So sometimes she did not come niche to play. So these people used to talk so much shit about her. They were like, वो बहुत फेंकती है, and she's like this and she's like that and she's like always doing this, and like we don't like her, blah, blah, blah. So to fit in, I used to be like, yes, she's so mad, she's so stupid, like ye wo, okay. And उस time पे I am telling you, I had zero brains, okay. I'm not saying कि now I have gotten so much wiser and older. It's not like that. But उस time पे I had zero brain cells, and I used to do anything. Like, I feel like when I was not in India, I did not do anything. Okay, मतलब I did not live my life थोड़ा सा भी. So after coming over here, I was like, I am going to do everything, whatever I did not do. So I was very excited for it, and then new friends, and I was very excited to be in India. So that happened, and then they used to talk so much shit about her. And one day, this one girl called me, and she was like, Sanchita, what do you feel about my best friend? I was like, yeah, she's nice. And then she's like, no, you were saying something, no, like. And then I said, yeah, bhai, she is very stupid and she's very faltu, and I don't like her at all. And guess what? This bitch has my phone on speaker, and my best friend was listening to it. And oh my god, I regret it till date, like till today. I regret it so bad. Like, what the fuck was I thinking? Like, why did I do that? I was so hurt, and I cried a lot, and I called her 100 times, and she never spoke to me again. I mean, fair, okay. This is so much fair, because anyways, I cannot do anything. And her mom, I called her mom, and I was like, Auntie, I'm so sorry. Like, I have never apologized to my mom. Okay, I have never apologized to my mom, because she never did to me. Okay, so obviously. But anyways, so I said, I was crying, and I was like, I will not do it again. I'm so stupid. Like, these people are very bad. Like, they just talk shit about me and her, and they are very manipulative. Okay, just don't listen to them and don't let her go down. But her mom was like, bitch, shut the fuck up. I mean, she did not say that, but like, she meant like, yeah, no, she doesn't want to talk to you. I was like, what? She does. You are the one who does not want us to talk. But I mean, fair enough. Okay, fair enough. Anyways, after that, yeah, forever lost my best friend. Okay, then the place I live now is nearby the place I used to live when I was from first grade to sixth grade. I used to live there, so the places are very nearby. Okay, so I went to my old building and I met everyone, and I was like, yeah, let's go. I'm so happy to be back. But then I got to know that most of the people have moved out of the place. So I was like, okay, but that was my crush. He used to still live over there, and I was in ninth grade. Okay. And when I was in third grade, he was like in eighth grade. So he was like older than me. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, he was 5 years older than me. And so after that, he like came to talk to me. And we used to talk a lot, okay. But when I was like, before I went abroad, I should not say abroad because it's not really abroad, but anyways, okay. Before I went out, when I used to live here, I had a massive crush on him, okay. And he was dating another of my best friends. So this best friend of mine is of age of this guy, so they both are of same age. And I was like rooting for them because I loved her. So I was so in love with both of them. But and I also used to like him a little bit because, like, me and my older best friend, okay, we used to like him together because we were like, he looks nice. ऐसा होता है ना, girls do that, right? So that's what was up. And then उसके बाद, when I came back, he started to talk to me a lot. And मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. I was like, what is happening with me? Like, what is, how can like, why is he talking to me? Like, how is this possible? Like, what the fuck is happening? Because I think I did not look थोड़ा सा भी nice. I think I look a little nice अभी, but I used to not look the best when I was a small child. So I was like, फिर मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. Obviously, I was like, why is he talking to me a lot? Like, what's happening? I'm going all batshit crazy कि what's happening. And फिर उसके बाद तो मेरे को हो गया कि let's go. Okay, now is my chance. But he was dating this girl, and she was in my school when I was from first grade to sixth grade. Before, she was in my school, and this girl is the worst person ever. She hated me for no reason. Like, when I used to pass down the aisles of my school, she just used to laugh on my face, and I used to get so insecure, and I literally used to come home and cry because I was like, what the fuck did I even do? I was just like walking down. And yeah, she was just trouble, okay. Like, even in annual day, she did not let me participate into like the dance. And yeah, that was the thing I did, and I hated her to my core. But she was dating my crush, okay, and this guy is really bad. And I knew this since a long time, but I have issues like that, so I do just, I mean, I try to ignore the part कि they are also bad, and I feel like कि नहीं, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I mean, obviously, as I said, I was very dumb in my head. I had no brains. I was stupid. So yeah, he's talking to me, and I'm very excited, and like, we are talking a lot. And then so I asked him. I knew he has a girlfriend because they were dating since like when I moved out, right? तो उसके पहले also I think they were dating. So I just had a little bit of ऐसा कि is he dating her अभी भी? So I just went and asked him कि are you dating her? And he's like, yeah, I'm dating her. Sorry, no. He said कि no, I'm not dating her. So I was like, okay. And then he started bitching about her, that she is so bad. Like, I don't like her. She cheated on me, and she did this and she did that, and I don't like her. And like, I like talking to you. Like, you are really nice, and ye wo. And I was like, okay. And then फिर मेरे तो दिल में ऐसा garden हो गया था. I was very excited, and I was like, this was the first time that all of this is happening to me, okay. And my crush is saying that to me. So फिर मेरा तो दिमाग of course हो गया पागल. तो फिर मैं बहुत खुश थी, okay. मेरे life में I was like very happy. And this girl जिसने मुझे कॉल किया था, जिसकी वजह से मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया था. So this girl, she met me downstairs, and I don't know what the fuck was I doing talking to her, even after she did all of that to me. But yeah, I was talking to her, and then I told her that this is this guy, and I had a long crush on him when I was little, and now he's talking to me, and yeah. And this girl is best friends with the girlfriend, the guy's girlfriend, okay. So she tells me, what? They are not broken up. What are you saying? Are you crazy? I was like, no. He told me that they are broken up, and then that she cheated on him. So I was like, what are you saying? Like, how is that possible? And then she's like, no. That's not like that. He's lying to you. I was like, okay. Now what do I do? So she's like, just don't hang out with him. I was like, what? Why would I not hang out with him? Just shut up, go away. Okay, I did not listen to her. And then we still used to go, and we still used to hang out, and we still used to, like, roam around here and there. And he used to show me these places and make me meet his friends and all, and like सब अच्छे से हो रहा था. Then this one day he came to pick me up, and this girl who called me, she came, and she's like, Sachna, where are you going? And then this guy told her कि अरे मेरी बहन खो गई है, so we are going to find her. What's this bahana? Then like, why are you not taking your girlfriend? And then this girl went and told his girlfriend about this. And then the girlfriend is furious. She is like, she's calling him continuously. She's like, what, where are you, who are you with, why are you with her, like, I know everything, just come back. And then she called us back, and then we are here. And then she is like, and then she was like, "Ki, tu ja, I'm gonna talk to her. Like, she's going to talk to me." Okay. I was like, huh, okay. I don't know from where I got so much of confidence to talk to the girl who's like so much older than me. But I was like, yeah, okay, what are you going to do? So yeah, she was like furious. She was like all over me. She was like, why, like, it's your fault, like, you just came back, and like, you are already creating so much chaos in my life. Like, why are you doing this? Like, why are you going after my boyfriend? Like, he's my boyfriend. I was like, he told me that you guys are broken up, so I was like hanging out with him. What's so wrong in that? And then she's like, no, he's lying. Like, how, why are you believing in him? Like, you should have come and asked me. I'm like, please, I don't like you, first of all, so why would I come and ask you? Okay. And then she's like, and then what? And then I just showed her all the chats, and uspe he mentioned he is not dating and he's single. And she's like, no, but you went after him, like, it's your fault. I was like, bitch, I don't give a fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go, and you deal with your boyfriend and just do whatever the fuck you want. So uske baad, okay, then they were back together. I'm like, okay, whatever the fuck off. And then uske baad he followed me on Instagram again, and now he texts me again, and then I blocked him. And after 2 years, we stay in the same building, okay, the girlfriend and me. So she met my mom, I don't know, somehow, like, maybe the aunties meet and all, uske saath she met my mom, and she started some nails thing, like she started some nail art wala thing. So she used to constantly call my mom, and she used to be like, Sanchita ko bhejo, like I'm going to do her nails. Like, are you out of your mind? Like, what are you doing? Like, what are you thinking? Like, do you not have brains? Like, oh my, why are you so desperate, bro? I don't know. I mean, anyways. So that was it, guys. That's how I got my major trust issues in my life. And उसके बाद मेरे साथ यही हुआ है. I have been the modern day Kamalika in too many people's life. Not too many people's life. I mean, 2-3 people's life. So that's the story time for another time. And also, you guys may be wondering, what's up with the camera? Like, why is the camera quality so bad? So let me tell you, it's not bad. First of all, it's iconic, okay? It's like that Kim Kardashian ka one video, in which she's like doing her makeup, and she's like putting on eyeliner, and she's like talking on her gold flip phone. So that's what the camera quality is, okay? And also, ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't have a good phone, okay? I do have a good phone. I mean, it's not a good phone, okay? It's like काम चलाओ phone है मेरे पास. I have a 17E in pink, but it's like काम चलाओ, okay? ठीक है, इतना भी I don't like it. I mean, it's just fine. कुछ नहीं कर सकते अब, जो है जिससे काम चलाना पड़ता है. So that's the reason why I'm recording on this. I don't like uska camera. I don't like the really good camera quality. I love this camera quality, okay? So that's the reason why I'm recording on this. And yeah, that's it for the video. And stay tuned, because it's gonna keep getting bad. So you guys are gonna have fun. So yeah, See you next time. Bye bye.